Question. A man stands at the center of a turntable. His arms extended horizontally with 5 kg mass in each hand. He set into rotation with an angular velocity of 1 revolution in 2 seconds. His new angular velocity if he drops his hands to his side is moment of inertia of man is given as 6 kg meter square. The initial distance of weight from the axis is 1 meter and the final distance is given as 0.2 meter. So, since there is no external torque acting, angular momentum is always conserved. Since no external torque acts on the body. Applying law of conservation of angular momentum. Angular momentum initial is equal to angular momentum final. What is angular momentum? I into omega. So I1 omega 1 should be equal to I2 omega 2. So I1 is total moment of inertia initially. Omega 1 initial angular momentum, 1 revolution in 2 seconds given to us. I2 final angular momentum, omega 2 we need to calculate it. So first angular momentum initial will be the angular momentum of the man plus angular momentum of the mass initially. What is the angular momentum of the man? It is 6 kg meter square plus angular momentum of mass, two masses are there, 2m mass of the body into r1 square. R1 is the initial distance, that is 1 meter. So this will be 6 plus 2 into mass, each mass is 5 kg into distance of 1. This will be 10 plus 6, 16 kg meter square. Likewise, we'll calculate final moment of inertia. Final moment of inertia, I2. What is I2 equal to? Moment of inertia of the man plus moment of inertia of mass finally. Moment of inertia of the man is again given to us 6 kg meter square plus 2 into mass into R2 square. That is 6 plus 2 into mass. Now what is the mass distance? Mass is given as 5 kg into distance is given as 0.2 square. Now, using law of conservation of angular momentum initial is equal to angular momentum final, which we wrote it as I1 omega 1 is equal to I2 omega 2. So, omega 2 will be equal to I1 by I2 times of omega 1. What is I1 we calculated? 16. What is I2? I2 here will be 6 plus 0.04 into 10. So, 6.4 kg meter square. So, this will be 16 by 6.4 into omega 1 half. So omega 2 will be equal to 8 by 6.4 and that is nothing but 1.25 radian per second. This is the value of omega. So correct option we'll check in. 2.5 revolution per second, wrong answer. 1.25 revolution per second is the right option. 5 revolution per second is the wrong option. Here is given 1 revolution in 2 seconds. D is none. So correct option will be option B.